Hi, I'm Chris with Nitec Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Mother Nature has been known to send our temperatures plummeting into the freezing zone. Temperatures near zero, even for a few hours, can cause major problems for your pipes. Frozen pipes can leave you without water, cause damage to your plumbing system, and lead to costly repairs. These quick and easy prevention tips will go a long way to protect your home. Here's what to do before the cold weather hits. Verify your irrigation or sprinkling system is drained and turned off. Disconnect garden hoses from your house. Take care of any drafts coming from windows and doors. Look for exterior gaps near electrical wiring, dryer vents, outdoor plumbing fixtures, skylights, and solar panels. Use caulk or spray foam that is designed for outdoor applications to fill in the gaps. Know the location of your main water shutoff valve, then test the shutoff valve at least once a year. You'd be surprised how difficult an unused valve can be to adjust. Protect exposed pipes with insulation, heat tape, or temperature-controlled heat cables. If you have pipes running through your cabinets or vanities, especially on exterior walls, open the cabinet doors to allow warm air to flow into these spaces and warm the pipes. Any faucets that are on exterior walls should be turned on just enough to allow a slow drip. This will keep the water moving through the pipes and reduce the risk of freezing. If your pipes do freeze, shut off the water at the main water valve. Thaw pipes using a heat source. Hair dryers, heated blankets, or space heaters will do the trick. Do not use kerosene heaters or any device with an open flame. During this process, keep a close eye on the pipes and don't leave the space unattended. Once the pipes are thawed, you'll want to test them. Start by turning the water on at the main valve, then slowly turn on the closest faucet while checking the pipes and joints near the problem area for cracks or leaks. Then, increase the flow and recheck everything. If your pipes do freeze and you find yourself in need of professional help, give us a call. We'll get you taken care of.